Quick video. So we are in an F-Series truck. It's an F-250 with a Gamber Johnson vehicle-specific console, equipped with a Mongoose XLE9 motion attachment arm, and of course a docking station. The problem is that the arm, the Mongoose, before could push so close to the dash that when you rotate it, it would make contact with this AC knob right here, and with so much pressure, it would just rip this knob off. So a very simple solution is we have developed these small clips which clip onto the linear bearing down below. As you can see, it's pictured right there. And what that does, that limits the range of motion about 1/2 inch. So it's going to keep it, this part, about 1/2 inch further away from the dash. And that distance will allow for this to rotate around without making contact with the knob, and that would save the dash. Simple solution for a simple problem.